Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Paw Patrol truck stop ever. The Paw Patrol Big Truck Pups Rubble transforming toy trucks with collectible action figure. If your little ones are fans of Paw Patrol and love adventure, this toy is sure to be a hit in your household. First off, let's take a closer look at Rubble, the lovable construction pup. Dressed in his signature yellow big truck pup uniform, complete with a trucker hat and a backpack, he's ready to roll out for some exciting rescue missions. The attention to detail is impressive, making him a perfect addition to any Paw Patrol collection. But what makes this toy truly special is Rubble's big rig truck, which transforms into a command center. It's not just a regular toy truck, it offers an interactive play experience that stimulates creativity and imaginative play. Just pop up the top of the trailer, and voila! You've activated Command Center mode, which reveals a material storage bin and a rescue crane. This transformation is not only fun but also enhances the play experience, allowing kids to engage in high-speed rescue missions. Whether they are pretending to drive Rubble around or using the crane to load up the material storage bin, this toy encourages problem-solving and role-playing. It's an educational experience disguised as fun, helping young children develop their motor skills and cognitive abilities while they play. When you unbox this toy, you'll find the big rig vehicle and the Rubble figure, ready to jump into action. The packaging is colorful and engaging, making it a great gift option for birthdays or holidays. Plus, it's designed for kids ages 3 and up, so it's perfect for preschoolers who are just getting into the Paw Patrol universe. And if your kids fall in love with Rubble's truck, there's a whole lineup of Paw Patrol toys to collect. From other action figures to transforming vehicles, the possibilities for imaginative play are endless. It's a fantastic way to encourage children to expand their collection and enjoy various adventures with their favorite pups. Overall, the Paw Patrol Big Truck Pups Rubble transforming toy trucks with collectible action figure stands out as an exceptional toy that combines fun, educational play, and beloved characters. It's a fantastic investment for any parent looking to encourage imaginative play in their children. If you're ready to embark on a Paw Patrol adventure, make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let us know in the comments if you think Rubble is ready for his next big adventure. Until next time, keep on playing.